Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing two databases that will be linked, for example, projects and tasks. Create a relation property in tasks and point it to projects, then enable the reciprocal option so projects shows linked tasks. Once done, add a few sample rows in each database to test the connection. This helps you verify the link immediately. Make sure property types match your intended use, because relations only connect databases, not arbitrary pages. Next, set up rollups to surface related data like task count, earliest due date, or completion percentage. Choose the relation property as the source, then pick the field and aggregation. Create filtered views that display only items linked to the current parent. This keeps context-focused pages tidy. Use templates to auto-populate relations when creating new records so you don't manually link each time. Also, consider multi-select relation strategies. Finally, verify the setup. Add a new task, link it to a project, and watch rollups update. Once done, tidy property names, set permissions so collaborators can link records, and create shared views for consistency. Make sure to test bulk edits and automation templates to confirm they maintain relations. If something goes wrong, inspect the relation property type, ensure you pointed to the correct database, and temporarily disable filters that might hide linked items. That single check solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.